In this year's Lidia Celebrates America special, I am setting out to meet Americans who are changing the way we think about food. Entrepreneurs striving to increase sustainability.
Crickets are delicious, they're nutritious, and they're sustainable.
Hello, everybody.
Hi.
Homegrown chefs reviving our connection with the land.
Vegetables shouldn't just be an afterthought.
Community leaders working to change health outcomes.
We all have a right to healthy food.
Nonprofits improving food access.
When we all do our part, all those things come together and make something really amazing.
So that we, each of us, might be inspired to move to a more sustainable future together.
Show me what you got here.